Now in neural radiance field, this ray marching plays a very important role. So ray marching means we will step along the ray, like we will keep on updating the ray. Like camera is focusing at an angle, then we will render that, then we will change the angle, like we'll keep on stepping the angle. So step along the ray. So that is ray marching. Step through space along a ray. Step through space along a ray is ray marching. So evaluate net, accumulate color and opacity. So ray marching is step through space along a ray. Okay, so ray marching is I am pointing to an object. So this is my ray. Along my ray, all the points will be the sample, and I will evaluate network repeatedly for all the points. I'll accumulate the color and opacity, and I'll render the object, the scene as looked from that angle. So typically along a ray, 64 to 256 sample per ray you can have the points. And for a frame, you should be having millions of rays, because this is to just one point of view. Then you'll shift a bit, then second angle, then third angle, like that millions of points you have to cover. And that is what the bottleneck is.